You're missing out on easy money if you're not using AI to build your own online business. People talk about AI all the time, but most of them have no clue how to actually use it to make serious, consistent income. They either chase content creation trends that burn out fast or waste hours on side hustles that take way too much effort for too little return. But here's the business model that will actually make you win big: AI-powered software tools. And thanks to Bolt New, you don't even need to know how to code. This new feature makes it ridiculously easy to create simple, useful tools that people actually need. And with the right approach, you can turn those tools into a steady $5,000 a month business or more. AI is evolving faster than ever. Google recently dropped Gemini 2.0, which is now one of the smartest AI models on the planet. OpenAI recently rolled out their O3 model, making ChatGPT even more powerful at reasoning and handling complex tasks. But here's what really matters for you. Bolt New's latest feature now lets you create full software applications just by describing what you want in plain English. No coding, no hiring developers, no spending months learning anything technical. Just type a command, let AI do the heavy lifting, and in minutes you've got a working software tool. Step 1. Understand the basics. Before we get into how you can make money with this, there are a couple of things you need to understand. When Bolt New generates a tool, it gives you a zip folder. That's just a compressed file that holds everything needed to run your software. Inside that zip folder, you'll find individual files, and those files are what make your tool function. Some of them are called scripts, which are basically instructions that tell the software what to do. Inside those scripts is the actual code, the set of commands that make your tool work. You don't need to know how to write code, but it's helpful to understand what's happening so you can properly set up and deploy your tool on a website. Step 2. Create a micro business with Bolt New. Now, let's talk about how you can use Bolt New to create an online business. Say you want to build a tool that removes image backgrounds like Remove BG. Normally, you'd have to learn to code or hire someone to do it for you, which takes time and money. But with Bolt New, all you have to do is type a command like, create a web tool that removes image backgrounds. The AI then generates everything for you, and within minutes, you have a fully functional tool. To make sure your tool runs smoothly, there's a little trick you should use when writing your prompt. You'll want to include the phrase, "Please make this a simple web tool for my cPanel server." That's because most people host websites using cPanel, and this phrase helps make sure that the code Bolt New generates is optimized for that type of hosting environment. It's not 100% necessary, but it'll save you from running into annoying setup issues later. Step 3. Monetize. Building the tool is the easy part. The real money comes from knowing how to monetize it. If you've ever used Remove BG, you'll notice they let you remove backgrounds for free, but if you want high-quality images or bulk processing, you have to pay. This is called the freemium model, and it's one of the best ways to make money online because it draws people in with free features while upselling premium options. You can do the same thing with your AI-generated tool. Offer basic functionality for free, then charge for premium features like batch processing, higher resolutions, or extra editing options. Another way to make money is by charging per use. Some tools work better when people only pay when they need them. For example, an AI-powered resume builder could offer a free preview, but if someone wants to download their final resume, they pay a small fee. You could also set up a subscription model where users pay a monthly or yearly fee for unlimited access. The key is understanding who your audience is and what they're willing to pay for. APIs can also be a huge moneymaker. An API is basically a way for different programs to communicate with each other. Think of it like a middleman that connects your software to other platforms. If you create a tool that checks stock prices, for example, you could use an API from a financial service to pull real-time data. There are also AI APIs like OpenAI's ChatGPT API, which can be used to add advanced features to your tool. The best part is that once you create a tool with a useful API, other developers and businesses might pay you to access it. Some companies make thousands of dollars a month just by offering API access to their tools. Step 4. Market your tool. Marketing is just as important as building the tool itself. If no one knows your tool exists, you won't make a dime. SEO, or search engine optimization, is one of the best ways to get traffic. This means optimizing your website so that when people search for something like remove image background, your tool shows up in Google results. You can also create blog posts, YouTube videos, or TikToks showcasing how your tool works. Social media marketing is another great strategy. Posting content that demonstrates how useful your tool is can bring in tons of free traffic. Step 5. Create and deploy a tool. Now, let's bring everything together and go step by step on how to actually create and deploy a tool using Bolt New. First, you open Bolt New and type in a command. Let's say you want to create an image upscaler which lets people increase the resolution of their images without losing quality. You type something like, create a simple web tool that upscales images for my cPanel server. Within seconds, Bolt New generates the full software package. Next, you click the preview button to see how the tool functions. If everything looks good, you export it as a zip file. Now, you need to upload it to a web server. Most web hosts have a file manager where you can just drag and drop your zip file. Once it's uploaded, you extract the files. This unpacks everything so the software can run properly. After that, your tool is live on your website, ready to be used. At this point, you can start making money. You could lock certain features behind a paywall, display ads, or charge users for premium services. If you want to automate things further, you can integrate payment processing so that people can buy credits or subscriptions directly on your site. If you want to take it even further, you can add API integrations to make your tool more powerful. APIs allow your tool to pull data or interact with other platforms, making it more valuable to users. Let's say you create a simple AI text generator. You could connect it to OpenAI's API to provide better, more accurate responses. Or if you're building a finance tool, you could integrate a stock market API to provide real-time updates. There are APIs for everything: weather data, facial recognition, crypto price tracking, you name it. If you're stuck on ideas, here's what I recommend. Look at common problems people have and think about simple tools that could help solve them. People constantly need things like PDF converters, file compressors, text-to-speech tools, and AI-generated summaries. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. You just need to take a proven concept and make it easier, faster, or more accessible. At the end of the day, the hardest part of making money online isn't the technical side. I can handle that now. It's taking action. Most people will watch videos like this, get excited about the possibilities, and then never do anything. But the ones who actually take the time to build a tool, put it out there, and market it properly are the ones who end up making thousands of dollars a month. Bolt New makes it easier than ever to start, and right now, there's still a ton of opportunity because AI-generated tools are just starting to take off. If you've been waiting for the right time to jump in, this is it. I've linked all the resources you need in the description, so if you're ready to start building your first AI-powered tool, check them out and take the first step today. What type of tool are you thinking of creating? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.